Well, it's been a busy day today at Jackson Audio. My wife was browsing Facebook and she literally said somebody's offering a pair of speakers for free to collect. And these are those speakers. They are fantastic. They are very, very good. Eagle International tweeters and an unknown woofer. I don't know what the woofer is. Bass drive or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what that is. It could be an Eagle. Those two are definitely Eagles. I've had them out and it says on the back. Yeah, the auditioning room, listening room, whatever you want to call it, is coming along nicely. I picked up the Tannoys today as well. I won them on eBay, so I've been to collect them. They are very, very lovely. This is a high-end amp now to plug them into. And we're going to have all manner of hi-fi equipment readily available to come and test. If you want to come and listen to your music or whatever. If you want to come and try different amplifiers once we get them in stock. Well, I've also picked up a pair of Wharfedale kit speakers as well. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. Not sure. They do need a little bit of work, but they're in absolutely great condition. They don't need reforming or anything like that. Don't know whether they work yet. I haven't plugged them in to try them, but I will do. Probably tomorrow now. I'm pleased with what we've got today. Fantastic.